Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share screen on WhatsApp video call on Android. If you are using any Android phone and you want to share your screen, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open WhatsApp app and here make a WhatsApp video call to the person with which you want to share your screen. Just make a video call here and then your call will start up. You just have to wait for the second person to accept the call. And here you can see the person has accepted the call. Now just tap on the three dots and then select share screen here, and here select which you want to share, a single app or the Android screen. I'm going to select entire screen here, then select start. So here you can see screen recording has been started. So in this way you can easily share your screen to anyone using your WhatsApp video call. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.